Hello everyone, how are you? I have a very beautiful design for you today. Have a look. This design is actually made of very simple pattern. This pattern consists of one round single crochet, one round double crochet, and two rounds suzette stitches. Okay, now let me show you how to make this design. As usual, firstly I start with a slip knot. Then I'll make 50 chains plus 1. This is one extra chain. After that, one single crochet in every stitch. I start from the second stitch from the hook. This is the first single crochet. The next one will be the second single crochet. This is the first row of the bottom part of this purse. Make one single crochet in every stitch. Keep working. Make one single crochet in every stitch, so the total single crochet are 50. Okay, now make the second row. Start with one chain like this, then turn the work and make one single crochet in this first stitch and one single crochet in every stitch. The bottom part of this purse is made of 7 times reversible single crochet with 8 side stitches. This is the second row. And now I'm at the 8th row. This one is the last single crochet. Okay, done. Okay, I will put a stitch marker here before I continue. This is what the bottom part of this purse looks like. There are 4 corner stitches on this bottom part that need to be filled with 2 single crochets. Okay, let's go on. I will make one single crochet in each of these side stitches. Start from this stitch, one single crochet, this is the first corner stitch, 2 single crochets here, one single crochet in each of the next stitches, one single crochet again, keep making one single crochet across the stitches. This is the second corner stitch, 2 single crochets, then one single crochet in each of the next side stitches. This one is the third corner stitch, 2 single crochets. Then, one single crochet in each of the next stitches. The next one is the last corner stitch. Take off the stitch marker. Then, put 2 single crochets in this last stitch. Okay, actually, this is the beginning of the main pattern, but before I continue, I will make slip stitches in every stitch. I start from this stitch. This is my first slip stitch. The next one, another one. This is a rounds of slip stitches. One slip stitch in every stitch. Two last stitches. This is the last one. Then slip stitch through these two loops. After that, I will make one round of double crochet, start from 2 chains, then make the first double crochet through these next 2 loops. Make one double crochet in each of the 2 loops. One double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet. This one is the last double crochet for this round. Then make a slip stitch on the very first double crochet like this. Then make one chain. The next round is the suzette stitch. To make a suzette stitch, start from one single crochet in this first stitch, then one double crochet in the same stitch. Skip one stitch. One single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. This is a spiral suzette stitch. One single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Again, skip one stitch, one single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern to complete this first round. This is the last suzette stitch for this round. One single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Then slip stitch on the first single crochet. Okay, make another round of suzette stitch. Start from one chain, then one single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Skip one stitch, one single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Skip one stitch, one single crochet and one double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern to complete this round. Okay, complete. Then make a slip stitch on the first single crochet. Okay, this is what the pattern looks like. After that, make one chain, then back to single crochet. This is one round of single crochet. Make one single crochet in every stitch. This is the beginning of the main pattern. This main pattern is made of one round of single crochet, one round of double crochet, and 2 rounds of suzette stitches. Okay, this is the end of the single crochet round. Make slip stitch on the very first single crochet, then make chain 2 or chain of 2. Make one double crochet in each of the stitches. Start from the first stitch, which is next from the chain 2. Then make one double crochet in every stitch. Crochet. Then make slip stitch on the very first double crochet. Okay, done. After this, you need to make 2 rounds of suzette stitch. You just need to repeat these patterns until you get the height that you want. have a look. This is what the pattern looks like. Actually, start from 1 round of single crochet, 1 round of double crochet, and 2 round of suzette stitches. Then back to 1 round single crochet, 1 round double crochet, then back to 2 round of suzette stitches. You need to always repeat these patterns until you get the height that you want. I've got the height that I want. Have a look. The combination of single crochet, double crochet, and suzette stitch looks so beautiful. Okay, now this is the panel part of this purse. This final part is made of spiral single crochet. I start from this stitch. This one is the second stitch. 1 single crochet in every stitch. Start from the second stitch. This is a spiral single crochet. I just made 2 rounds of spiral single crochet. This is my first round. This is the last part of the second round. Okay, this is the beginning point. I will end this stitch here, 1 slip stitch to mark the ending of this round. Then I will cut this thread and I will hide it inside this purse. You can do the same. You can do the same either using tapestry needle or a smaller crochet hook. Well everyone, have a look. The result is so beautiful. I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again.